Hey everyone, it's CEO Quincy here, and I want to shoot a quick video just to give you guys some more payment proof on the direct mail cash building system unlimited. Okay, I received another envelope on yesterday. I had one waiting on me. I decided to check my mailbox. Was not expecting this. All right, see my name, Quincy Farley. I shot a video on Facebook just a while ago, so I did open this envelope. All right, but I'm going to share with you what was inside, and I received a cash payment. Okay, it was a cash payment today. It's a combination of cash and checks. And so, guys, I'm mailing 200 postcards per week now. I was mailing like 500, but I scaled back to only 200. And the reason why is because I don't need to mail as many. It saves me money. As far as like the postage, I don't have to buy as many. Like I bought like 5,000 postcards when I started. And so now I'm mailing 200 postcards, only 200 postcards, because I'm utilizing a system now, which helps market this business. But the beautiful part about this system is that you can get cash now. You can make money right now. Okay, you can make money right now. You can actually replace your full-time job in only a few months with this system that I'm speaking of. And I can plug the Cash Building System Unlimited in with this system as well. Or you can plug any business that you have with this. But the beautiful part is you can generate income, immediate income right now. Daily income, weekly, and residual income, monthly income. All right, it's almost like 5 businesses in one. It's 5 income streams in one. All right, it's a unique sales funnel. All right, it's a unique sales funnel that takes a person, your prospect, through the sales process while exposing your primary business or whatever business that you have and generating immediate income. How does that sound, right? That's kind of like what everyone wants. Well, guess what? I'm going to share that with you today. I'm going to include that link in the description. All right. This system is helping me generate income with Cash Building System Unlimited without having to mail a lot of postcards. All right. That's the beautiful thing about it. I'm only mailing like 200 postcards per week now, because the system handles the online marketing for me while the postcards handle the offline marketing. That's it. I don't use drop cards or business cards or anything like that. I just strictly mail the postcards. That's it. All right. That's how I do mine. I put my postcards in black envelopes. I put them in black envelopes, So I'm going to show you what it looks like. All right, 5x7 black envelopes. This is what I'm using, guys. Okay, so I place my label right here, and I put my return label. I have a return label that I place right here, and then of course the postage stamps. The postage stamp goes right here. So I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like without exposing too much information. As you can see, this is what it looks like. I have a gold label, so it stands out. This is the mailing label, and then you see the postage stamp. All right, this one is ready to go. Okay, so guys, if you are serious about making a full-time income from home, I get excited when I talk about this because I have finally figured out how to generate 100,000 plus per year utilizing a unique system that you can plug any business into and generate immediate income within weeks. Okay, within weeks, not months, but within weeks. And for only $1, guys. For only $1, you can start a real full-time online business generating 100,000 plus per year. And all you need is $1. Okay, $1 to start. I'm going to include that link in the description. Any questions, I'm going to include my phone number as well. All right. So guys, this system is so amazing that any beginner that has no online experience, they can actually use this system. All right. It was well thought of, and they really considered the online newbies, right? People with that's not really that computer literate, right? They could actually plug in and use the system and start generating money. Okay, so this is what I use. I mail the postcards. A lot of people ask me, how do you market online? Are you just mailing postcards? No, I don't just mail postcards. I also market online, but I have a system that does that for me. And what's great about it is we show you how to get instant traffic, to your funnel, to your sales funnel. All right, because that's the number one problem most people have. Hey, I have this website, but I don't know how to bring visitors to the website. I don't know how to get people to visit the website. It's already figured out in this with the system. So if you're in Cash Building System Unlimited and you have not made any money, all right, if you've been in it for a month, been in it for 2 months, haven't generated $1, then take that $1, get this system, and you can plug the Cash Building System Unlimited with this system. Or you could just strictly use this system. Even if you don't have a business, you can strictly use this system to start generating serious cash flow. All right. When you see it on the inside, you're going to be blown away. All right. And you can get started for only $1, guys. So I'm going to include that link. All right. Please like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to my channel. All right. So if you want more updated videos on the system, and, just want to keep, stay abreast of what's going on in, with the online marketing, internet marketing, cash building system, direct mail, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, all right, because I'm going to be sharing some valuable information with you. But this right here is like, it's a gold mine for anyone that's struggled online and have spent thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars trying to start a business but never made any money. This is the system right here. This will end all your money struggles online. It wipe all of that away. All right. If you can just follow 3 easy steps. All right. We're going to show you step 1, step 2, step 3. And then you turn it on. You turn the traffic on. I'm going to show you how to get the traffic, instant traffic. Okay. So you can literally have your business up and running one day or within 48 hours. Everything you go through the whole system and set it up, and you can be in business in 48 hours, generating leads and generating some income. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Oh, you know what? I almost forgot. I did not reveal what was inside. Almost forgot. So let's open this up. I did a video on Facebook earlier. So today, in this particular envelope, we had cash, guys, $50. Okay, $50. 2 20s, 2 5s. And I want to shout out a couple people. That look like this is Uric Rorison and Robin Polis. Okay. And congratulations, Robin, on upgrading. All right, on upgrading to phase 2, level 1. Okay. So $50 today, guys. So I'll receive a combination of cash and checks every single week, and which averages $300 to $500 per week, just with the direct mail. But with the system, it's a lot more. And once you get inside, you will see why the income is so high with this system. Okay, you'll see how you're going to be able to generate $10,000 per month once you see it. All right, it's very unique. My good my good business partner, he created it. I followed this guy for some years, and he created a system for internet marketers that will get rid of the stress of how to get traffic and how to generate leads and all that. All the T's have been crossed and the I's have been dotted with this system. Okay, there is nothing, no stone left unturned. All right, everything has been figured out. Every piece to the puzzle has been put in place. So right now, you can wipe the slate clean. If you're in a business right now, if you've been in an online business right now and you're struggling, you haven't made any money, and you're staying loyal to a company, but nobody is helping you, sponsors not helping you, anything like that, stop going through the motions and stop just doing the same thing over and over again, expecting a different result. Okay, that's insanity. All right, so I'm telling you, this system right here is the truth, and it can end your problems right now. Okay, you just have to take action and go through it. Go through it. All right. And if you start it and you get distracted or you can't just focus on it, set aside a time where you can just strictly focus on setting this system up, because it will literally change your life. All right. It really literally change your life. It can fix all your money problems as far as, generating income online, offline, what have you. But this system is strictly for online marketing, automation, all right, autopilot income, making money while you sleep, okay, while you're on vacation. Okay, if you can send out email, you can run this business. That is really that's like the best business to have. Is you in your computer or from your phone, you can literally send a couple of emails per week and generate money, generate income on demand. Okay. And that's kind of what this system is. It's I'm telling you, it's like it is probably like the Bentley of all marketing systems, all sales funnels. And you'll see once you get inside. And it's only $1, guys. $1. All right. I actually went over, guys. So go ahead and click that link. Check it out. Check out the system. Get access to it. Go ahead and get in, because people right now are coming in. I'm starting to see people coming into the funnel. I can see get notifications and stuff like that. So the machine is running. Okay, it's like a well-oiled machine. So guys, click the link. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. And like I said, any questions or anything like that, I'm going to include my phone number in the description. I'm also going to include my lead source, my top lead source, as far as my mailing list, which takes care of my offline marketing. This is a great source to get your mailing leads. They're very responsive. They're buyers. And so you should get great results using this source. It's my top source. I'm going to include that as well. So guys, go ahead, click the link, get the system, $1, and I'll see you on the inside.